Good morning, everyone. It's currently 9 in the morning and I'm taking Browns to the groomers right now. I'm about to drop her off. Are you excited for your haircut, baby? She's wearing her Thanksgiving sweater. So cute. Little doghouse is where I bring Brownie. Hey, Browns. Are you excited? Oh my goodness. There's Brownie walking around. Oh my goodness, he's such a cutie pie. Oh my goodness. So I just dropped off Brownie at the groomers. Now I'm heading to the office to work for a few. So I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so I just got out of work. I still have not gotten a call for Brownie, so she's not ready. You guys can see my yellow hair. Alyiah's gonna do the second session today. I am currently at Shell pumping gas. If you live in Santa Barbara, you need to come to the gas station on Hollister, the one between the Patterson and Turnpike exit. That one's the cheapest for like good gas. So those are the prices right now, which is extremely cheap for this area. So recommend. My car just got filled up with $38. Yes. Oh shit, it's zoomed in. Ooh. It was 38 just because I like to use the V-Power on my car. I feel like it just runs better that way. But I am gonna meet up with Jaime to get food from the Costco food court. So that's where I'm heading over right now, to Costco. I just got to Costco. Now I'm gonna meet Jaime. I spy with my little eye. Hello.
How are you?
Ah, hi. ¿Qué atención das? I got a mocha freeze. Oh shit, I said mocha freeze and I was pointing at the hot dog. They got a mocha freeze and a hot dog.
You weren't lying.
I mean, I wasn't. We're walking around Costco now. Jaime was complaining that he was really cold, but míralo. Okay, so now I'm on my way to pick up Alyiah. We're gonna go to a store where they sell like professional hair stuff. We're gonna fix this. We're gonna give it a second go finally. It won't be orange and I won't have to wear hats. So I'm heading over to pick her up right now. We're going to Starbucks. I just got a passion tea refresher and Alyiah got a what?
Strawberry refresher.
Strawberry?
Yeah.
They look similar. Oh wait, no, mine's darker. Oh, it's just salon centric. Hello. I'm gonna go pick up Brownie now. She's probably so mad that she's been here for a while. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see my baby. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness, I love when they do these.
You want to take her?
Yes, I do.
Thank
you. Hi, baby. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, you ready to go? You ready to go?
Okay, so we're back and we're gonna do a dual process. So we're going to put down a dark color to get rid of the green on her roots that she put down, and then we're going to lighten her blonde even more first, and then we can go in with the blue. So we're just gonna fix everything. So right now we just put the color on her hair. We're going to apply the blue and yeah.
I'm finally getting the blue in my hair after so long.
I just did her makeup. Oh my god, close your eyes. Yes. Oh my goodness. It looks so pretty.
After so much work. Oh my god. Woo! Look at this.
What I do like to do is actually still apply liner.
So bomb.
Kind of line the lash line as thin as possible.
How long did it take?
2 sessions, and today's was probably
The
4 or 6 hours. 4 to 6.
so worth it. Look at this. It looks so bomb. I love the short hair now. I'm like obsessed right now. Look at poor Alyiah's hands though.
This look because I don't want it to be. I just wanted to fill in that gap. You can't skip.
Dude, look at how perfect this is.
Together.
Do you guys see this perfect cut? You guys book her up. Look at this.